welcome to the computer class. Today we are going to start with chapter 6 tables in MS Word part 2. In this video we are going to do a practical in MS Word. We will create a table in MS Word. We will see how to delete a cell in table, how to add or delete rows or columns in table, deleting a row, deleting a table, change position of text in a table, etc. So let's begin the practical session now. Do you know children what is table? Table is a grid of rows and columns. The data presented in the tables gives a quick idea of the information. A table is easy to read and understand. A table may grow up from a small size to a very big size. It contains rows and columns. To start a practical, first we will click on Start button. This is the Start button. Go on Microsoft Office and select Microsoft Word 2010. In this video, we will see how to work on the tables. We can create tables, delete tables, insert, we can cut, copy, paste, and we do many things with this table itself. We will see how to insert table first. I will create a table here. Creating table can be done by many methods. The first method to create a table, let us see the steps. First go to the Insert tab. This is the Insert tab children. Click on the Insert tab. Now click on this Insert tab drop down. Once you click on that, you can select the size of a table yourself. If you want to select some few columns and some few rows, select from here. As soon as you select rows and columns from here, it will be drawn on the page itself as shown on this page. This is the first method to draw a table. Now let us see the second method. I will just press Ctrl Z to take it back. You can go to the Insert tab again, click on Tables, and there is an option Insert Table. Once you click on this Insert Table, you will get a dialog box. It will manually ask you how many number of rows and how many number of columns you want in the table. The number of columns is written here 5 and number of rows is written 2. I will increase the number of rows here. I will give 5 rows now and press on OK button. This is the OK button children. Now you can see there are 5 columns and 5 rows which are automatically got it on page. Now the third method is, first I will press Ctrl Z to take it back. Go on Insert tab. This is the Insert tab. Click on Tables. Now click on Quick Tables. Now then click the template that you want to insert on the page. Suppose I will select this template. As soon as you select, it will be drawn on the page itself. Now I will press Ctrl Z to take it back. The next method to draw a table is, go on Insert tab. This is the Insert tab. Click on Tables and click on Draw Table. The pointer changes to a pencil. To define the outer table boundaries, draw a rectangle. Then draw the column line and row line inside the rectangle. Like this. Children, if you want to erase a line or a block of lines, go on Table Tools. This is the Table Tools. Go on the Design tab. This is the Design tab. And go on Draw Borders group. Click Eraser. This is the eraser option. Now click the line that you want to erase. I want to erase this line. Now when you finish drawing the table, click in a cell and start typing or insert a graphics. With the help of keyboard, type something. I will write name, press the tab key, I will write roll number. Like this you can insert text in the table. Now children, let us know how to delete a cell in the table. Select the cell that you want to delete by clicking its left edge. Under table tools, click the layout. This is the table tools, click on layout. In the rows and columns group, click delete. Rows and columns group, delete option and select delete cell. A delete cell dialog box will be appeared on the screen. Then do one of the following options. Shift cell left. If you want to shift the cell left, you have to select this option. If you want to shift cell upside, you select this one. If you want to delete the entire row, select this option, and if you want to delete the entire column, select delete entire column option. I will select shift cell left and click on OK button. The cell is deleted from the table. Now to add or delete rows or columns in the table, let us see the practical. Press Ctrl Z to take it back. Then children, right click in a cell above or below where you want to add a row. I want to add a row here. Right click. The shortcut menu will be appear on the screen. Point to insert. This is the insert option. And then click insert rows above or insert rows below. If you want to insert rows above, click on insert row above option. If you want to insert row below, you have to select insert rows below. I will select insert rows above option. The one row is added to the table. You can see children, there is now one row is added in the table. Now let us see children how to add a column to the left or right of the table. Press Ctrl Z to take it back. I will draw another table. I want 5 rows and 5 columns in the table. There are 5 rows and 5 columns in the table. Now to add a column to the left or right of the table, right click in a cell to the left or to the right where you want to add a column. I want to add a column here. Right click, go on insert, select if you want to insert column to the left, select the insert columns to the left. If you want to insert columns to the right, select the insert columns to the right. I will select insert columns to the right. You can see children, a column is added in the table. Now let us know children how to delete column in a table. Go on the home tab. This is the home tab children. Go on paragraph group and click on show and hide option. Select the column that you want to delete by clicking the column's top grid line or border. Now right click and then select delete columns on the shortcut menu. You can see children, one column is deleted from the table. Now deleting a table in Microsoft Word. If you want to delete the entire table, go in tables tool, select layout tab, rest the pointer on the table until the table move handle appears and then click the table move handle. Now press the backspace key from the keyboard. You can see children, the table is deleted from the page. I will press Ctrl Z to take it back. Children, if you want to delete a column or columns, click the column's top grid line or a border. Now press the backspace key from keyboard. The column is deleted from the table. You can see children, the column is deleted from the table on the page. I hope children, all of you understand how to create table in MS Word and how to delete rows and columns in MS Word. Now Try to do a practical at home. Try to do a practical 2 to 3 times at home. Now it's all for today. We will continue the same topic in the next video. Till then, bye bye.